Hello everyone, welcome to Mockbank. Let us solve this linear sitting arrangement problem over here. I would appreciate if you pause this video, try to solve this problem on your own and see the solution later. Now this problem says that A, B, C, D and E are sitting on a bench. So there are 5 persons sitting on a bench. So probably this is like the first position, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now this says that A is sitting next to B. Now can you understand that this information says that A and B are together. So maybe this is like AB or like BA. What's the situation? We have no understanding as of now. Second information says that C is next to D. C is next to D. D is not. So can we say that if C is next to D, this is CD or DC? It also says that D is not sitting with E, who is on the left end of the bench. Now this person, let us not even talk about it because we do not getting the clarity. Let us move ahead with the information. It also says that C is on the second position from the right. So this is the right position and over here we have got it to be left position, and the problem says that C is on the second position from right. So this is C. It also says that A is to the right of B and E. A and C are sitting together. Now can you see that A has to sit with B as well, and it also says that A has to sit with D as well, C as well, not D. A and C are sitting together. So for sure A cannot be on the rightmost corner, is it not? A has to be over here, and the moment A is over here, we can say that B is going to be here. Since C and D should be together, this position will be assigned to D and E will be put over here on the leftmost corner. So what do we have got? E, B, A, C and D. Now this is very clear for us to understand in which position A is sitting. A is sitting between B and C. What is our option? This is our option. Jumping from statement to statement is very much required. Don't even try to follow the same thing in the same order. If you try to process your information in a given order, probably you'll get stuck. So if things are not working, so probably try to read some information at the end of the problem and let us see what happens. That is what you get once you have got a lot of practice, is it not? Only with practice this would come to you. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video we are also going to solve some circular arrangement problems. Till then, bye bye and take care.